Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in Accounting, and our topic today is embedded visualizations within tooltips, or V's in Tooltip. What is this? It's kind of an advanced mode in Tableau, where we added a visualization inside another visualization, but that is not dashboard. Dashboard, we see them both. So let me show you the file that we will be working with. So here, let's consider that we have some stores in 4 different cities in 2 states in the US. And for instance, let me move myself here. So for instance, in Fargo, North Dakota, we have this $3.9 million in a period. And then we come here and we see a second visualization with a chart of the sales per employee. However, there's no sales per employee here. How can we do that? So first of all, let's redo. So unhide, it is hidden. And let's come both here. Okay. Yes, so now we can delete these two. Delete, and we're good. So here, this is our Excel file. So the name, so the first record is the employees, or the first sheet is the employees. 20 employees, completely random names. It's the most common name is in the US. The city where they work and the state, and some records here, sales in a quarter. So, okay, let's go to Tableau. Data source, it is this Excel file with this relationship. And by the way, let me open it. Don't save it. Let's come here on Tableau, because that is interesting. So let's open it. Microsoft Excel, embedded visualizations. So we have employees, we have records, and we have an issue. There are no columns with the same names, but we have them. It's here, employee, Barbara, but here is name, not employee. Yes. So how do we fix it? So we want the employee name that is exactly the same as here, employee. And now we have a match. So, okay, on sheet 1, we go to the sales per employee. So we have here employee and sales. Whoosh. And then let's go here from the highest to the lowest. And let's go on some colors here. I don't like blue. It was green, remember? But let's go on orange. Orange. And this one we can hide it. See, so here. And we can name it. This is one that will be hidden. So let's name it as this, for instance. And then let's go to the second one. Where do we have state and sales? Or let's do the opposite here, state and sales. So let's call this sheet here sales. But I don't want only by state. Let's click here, state and city. And then let's add some colors here, but let's go on city as colors. And then let's go here also, upside down. So here we have our chart. And if we go here, we have the city, state, and sales. We want to add these V's here. How do we do that? Tooltip is Grammarly, so we can move it. Insert sheets. This. And now it will show you here. And here, this 300, it is the width and the height. So if we want to make it larger or smaller, so we can go on that numbers. And okay. Ooh, see? We have them embedded. But I don't want to see the employee first. I want to know the city, the state, and then the sales, and then the employee. I want to go down. All I need to do is tooltip, select, cut, and then where do we want? Do we want here? Paste. Or do we want between state and sales? Here. Okay. Here. Well, but nah, that doesn't make sense. Sales is the average and is the total, and then here our sales per employee. So on tooltip, sales, state, sales. Okay, we are good. And here, guys, don't use filters unless extremely necessary. Here, filter is the tooltip is for the filter. And here, maybe we can add a label here. And let's see what it happens. Here, but we cannot see all of the names. So, or let's try to go on minimizing it. 8 instead of 9. Oops, now it's better. We can see the labels for each employee. And then we want to go on date as a filter here, and then month and year, July, August, September. So we will go on all, apply, and then let's show it. So here we want only July. So here the total sales. And then here we need the same filter. So how do we do the same filter? Click here, apply to worksheets, all using related data source. So it will also goes here. And now when we change it, so here, if we go on all of the quarters, Fargo is greater than Bemidji. And we can go here, just like this one. But if we go only on August and September, so only on August, Duluth got the highest, and then 1.3 million. If we combine all of our 5 employees, it will be 1.3 million. So they go the same filter here. So, even better than the original one. So let's go on standard, and then we can, because I don't want to mess with my camera. So here what we have, and we can also go here on label for our sales if you are a number, just like I am. And then here the V's we can hide. And we can also do that. So let's duplicate it. Sales, map, sales. We can also do it as here a map. So here we have, if we go a word map, it will not be good. But here the US map, Duluth, right, the border with Wisconsin, Minneapolis, Bemidji at the center, and Fargo, North Dakota, border with Minnesota, Or we can move the sum of sales. Instead of by colors, we can go by size. So here they are almost the same. And also with colors here. So, okay, pick the one that you like the most. And then if we have only July, or only August and September, or only September, or only August. Oh, he'll change here, huh? So we can go on the size or colors, and you can even hide this card. And if you want to go on dashboard, you can show the map here, the sales here, and then we can not show, and then we can call it sales dashboard. And dashboard, show title, and here we have it. See? And let's go all. And here we have our embedded visualization. That is awesome, huh? I love this kind of visualization. So amazing here. So here we don't have it embedded. If we want to embed it, all you need to do, go on Tooltip. You can just select all of them, copy, and paste. And then on the dashboard, you will get the same chart. And when you go here, only on September, it will show you only September. Okay, guys, that's it. If you have questions or comments, leave them here or email me at jscarping@gmail.com. Have a very nice day and God bless you.